Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to give you guys the Atome credit card honest review. As we can see on Trustpilot, they have only two ratings and both of them are 1 star, and the total comes to a 2.9. They have useless support, one person said. Another person said that please hard avoid this company. After sales customer support is very bad. Like they paid with it once and like they're still facing with it. This thing is the same as someone who reported it into Reddit. As you can see, they have no pending transactions. They gave them a limit increase after the last payment, and they keep getting a lot of calls saying they have an outstanding balance of 100 pesos, but they're fully paid and like things like that. As you can see, this is the same issue by another person. They said that their account is overdue but they've paid all their bills, things like that. So yeah, I would say if you have any other option, go for it, avoid this one. But if you have nothing else, then you have to go for it, but the customer service is really poor. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.